Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you choose a default email account for your Pipedrive account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to set up a default email account in your Pipedrive? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple email addresses, and you can manage them all inside Pipedrive. However, if you set a default email address, new emails or marketing would go from that specific email address. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I already logged into my Pipedrive account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a default email address in your Pipedrive, first what you're going to want to do is go ahead and click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here called Company Settings. It has a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here. It should be titled My Account, and you want to look for this button here called Email Sync. It has an envelope next to it. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see all of your email addresses that you have inside of Pipedrive. You can see I have these two. So first what you want to do is go ahead and choose the email address you want to set as your default. So for me, I'll go ahead and choose this one. Okay, so once you've chosen the correct inbox, over here to the right, you're going to see the email address, and you should see this green connected button next to it. But right below it, you're going to see this default email account. So if it's gray, that means that is not the default email for your Pipedrive. So you're going to need to click this button. Okay, next you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to go ahead and change your default email to your Pipedrive? They do let you know if you have automations already set up that the new automations are going to go out from the new default email account. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click here, change default email account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the button has turned green. So any kind of automations from my Pipedrive will now go through this new email default. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the default email in your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.